How to deposit check on Venmo in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to deposit check on Venmo. It's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that I'm gonna show you right now, and you're gonna be able to deposit check on Venmo. Okay, so don't panic, just follow what I'm gonna show you in this video. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to go to your phone. And after going to your phone, go and open Venmo app, okay? And after opening your Venmo app, then you need to go to your profile on Venmo. And after going to your profile, you need to click on manage, that is next to your balance. So you're gonna find it next to your balance, just click on it. And on manage, you're gonna find transfer to bank, add money, or cash a check. So we're gonna click on the last one, which is cash a check. Okay, and then you're gonna find this page. So when they told us that add a check to your Venmo balance in 3 easy steps, which is confirm your info, scan your check, and enter amount and cash out details. Okay, so we're gonna follow all of these. We just need to click on get started. Okay, and after clicking on get started, now we need to agree or accept the terms and conditions of Venmo. And after doing this, here they told us to confirm your identity to start cashing checks. So we just need to enter the date of birth, social security number, and confirm again the social security number, and then your phone number, and then click on agree and continue. Okay, and as you can see, guys, you're all set. So everything is done perfectly now. Our identity is verified, and here, as you can see, where I need to deposit check on Venmo. Okay, so I will just choose the amount that I want to deposit, and then I'm gonna click on done, and I'm gonna confirm it. And like this, I just did it. I just deposit check on Venmo. So just follow these steps and you're gonna be able to deposit a check on Venmo. It's not something difficult, as I told you. That would be it, and I will see you in the next video.